Hey everyone, thank you for coming back to the channel. We appreciate it. And make sure that you subscribe to our channel and also like our video. If you're taking time to watch the video, it doesn't hurt to just press that little like and like our video. So tonight, what I'm going to talk to you quickly about, it's not going to take long. It's about girls posting sexual pictures on Instagram and social media. My daughter shows me a lot of things. I see it myself. And a lot of you guys are Instagram models. And hey, that's good to be an Instagram model. But why do you have to be an Instagram model to show your body off? Your body is a temple. This body is only supposed to be meant for your husband. I know that sounds a little bit old school, but you know, it's the way that it is, and it's always been that way. So if you want men to take you seriously, okay, had to step away really fast. So if you want men to take you seriously and perhaps bring you home to mom and marry you one day, you need to start now. I've seen so many pictures out there that are so provocative, and you have so many followers and you get so many likes on those pictures, but how do you feel inside of here? Yeah, maybe you're getting $500 or whatever. That's almost like being a prostitute, right? Because you're charging for it. But I prefer you charge for it than give it away for free. But why let all the other idiots out there who are just looking to print your pictures out, to post them God knows where, to sell them to people in jail or whatever, why are you giving this stuff out for free? I don't understand. And it does not look good. Butt out, breast out, everything out. There's nothing to be desired anymore. Everybody knows what's under your clothes. Everybody knows what you have. What is there to be desired? Excuse me. What is there to be desired anymore? You know, guys don't respect girls that show all this bodies and pictures and sending pictures. And just because a guy asks for a picture, you're going to send it to him. If a guy asks you for a nude or naked picture or whatever, he's not worthy, right? Unless you're married to him, trust me, he's not going to be around for a long time. He's only there to use you. So I like to reference Steve Harvey because I used to watch him all the time, and he would always tell the girls, or actually his audience members, you know, he talks about the cookie and he talks about really relationship type things. And I think that's something that needs to be really talked about nowadays, because a lot of women nowadays don't understand relationships. And that's why marriages don't last nowadays. That's why relationships don't last nowadays. Number one, you want to get out at the first sign of trouble. Or if I'm not happy, I'm going to get out. You don't have to be happy to be in a relationship 100% of the time. No one promised you a rose garden. Nobody said that you were going to be happy. But let's say back on topic, because that's a whole nother topic right there. Stop putting nudes out there. I understand this is the only way that you're going to get out of the whatever stuff you're in, and you see all the other people doing it, so you decide to do it as well. These guys are taking advantage of you, and they're using you. They're using you for your body, and yet maybe your body doesn't mean anything to you. So you're going to do it anyway. So what happens, and we're all getting older, what happens when you get older and your body's all washed up and everybody in creation has a picture of you? Or what about if you tried to apply for a job and all these guys have pictures of you, and your future boss goes out there to look for an employee, and let me look on this employee and see what kind of person she is, and there's these nudes, And then you have to explain yourself as to why you did it, or maybe that you were young and you didn't know any better. Or let's say if you get famous and you weren't famous then, but you get famous, and then here are all these pictures out here that's of you nude. And as I was saying before, Steve Harvey does several episodes about relationships and sex and different things like that. And one of the episodes they talked about is they showed men a few pictures of people on Instagram and asked them what they thought about it and what they thought of these girls. And they gave their opinions, and they weren't good. And so I'm going to show you here in a little clip really quickly on what they thought.
Definitely promiscuous.
Would you ever date a girl like this?
No, I wouldn't date her, but I would have some fun with her. I'd have some fun with her.
I wouldn't bring her home to my mother.
They are using you. Stop taking nudes. I know they're already out there, but stop. If everybody else would stop doing this, then everybody else would have an opportunity to do something else with their lives other than show their bodies off. It's not cute. And for the young girls coming behind and they see that you're doing this and that you're making money and that you have all these new bags, Louis Vuitton, whatever. I don't even know them. I'm not a label person, so I don't know what they are, right? Chanel, Louis Vuitton, I don't know what the new stuff is. But you're purchasing these stuff, these things, you're showing off these things. But what did you do? Either you're stripping to get them, you're bottle girl to get them, you're giving away your pictures for free on Instagram, and maybe somebody's paying for them, but the next 50,000 people are getting them for free. And where are these pictures at? Are they in the jail cells? Where are they? They're probably littered across somebody's wall who's a sick person, and you're contributing to the sickness of this person. So that's all I have to say, really, is stop doing that. I know most of my messages right now is saying stop, but there'll be positive messages and things that I notice that people are doing really good. But right now I'm seeing all kinds of bad in the world. And then we wonder why the world is so messed up and why relationships don't last, why people can't stay together, why people are always arguing, they're breaking up, they're going with one person, going with the next person, dating this person, going back. There's so much turmoil. And this is why we have so much turmoil in the world, is because people won't do the right thing. They're doing what feels good in the moment. And that's not always a good thing, is what feels good in the moment. Because what happens after that moment is fleeting, and they're always fleeting. Guys don't respect that. Maybe you think they do, but as you can see, there's a lot of celebrities out there that are supposedly married. They have babies for these people, and they're all sick. They have problems. They cheat, they come back. They cheat, they come back. Yeah, you have all this money, but you have a cheating spouse. You have a cheating significant other, and you're not happy. You can't be happy. Nobody can be happy like that. So until you decide to think highly of yourself and better of yourself than putting all these naked pictures out there, then you're already going to be miserable. You think this is making you happy, this little bit of fame that you're having right now. But why do you have the fame? Why do you have all the likes on your pictures? If you weren't taking your clothes off, would you have the same likes? Would you have the same followers? You probably wouldn't. So think about that. The next time you decide to go out and put those pictures out there, or do an experiment. You guys like to do public experiments. Just for a week, try not to put any nudes out there and see what happens. You probably won't do it because you're going to lose your followers. You're going to lose people because they're going to go to the next person that's going to do it. People are using you and you don't care. You have so much more inside of you. And another thing before I go, oh my gosh, What in the world are the mothers thinking? The parents, the grandparents, what are they thinking of these girls shaking their butts online and on social media? Showing your breasts, shaking your butts. Maybe they don't care because you're giving them a little bit of money, but they really should care because I do. I don't want my kids going out doing that, male or female. You know, you shouldn't do it. You should have more respect for yourself, and have respect for your kids, your grandkids. Think more than just right here. We had a sermon at church one day recently, I think it was last weekend, and they talked about just seeing things right here up close. What about the distance? What's going to happen in the distant future? When you have to explain this, and you will, right? I love you guys, and I hope you don't go away from our channel because of all the stop. But I want you guys to do better. And I know some of the moms out here that you have to agree, your grandmothers, whatever, you have to agree with me. I only want better because I know the world can be a better place, and I know that you guys can make money, without showing your bodies, without degrading yourselves. And I want that for you guys. So I love you. And, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and we'll have other positive things. Do something positive, or tell me what you guys want to see on here. Okay? Because I have a lot to say about a lot that's going on in the world. But I want to hear what you guys want to know also. And I'd love to talk about that. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to our channel and click your notifications button. And we appreciate you guys, and we love you so much. Go out there and make it a great day and pay it forward. Do something nice for someone. Hug someone. Look at them in the eye on the elevator. Tell them hello. You're there. I notice you. I care. Okay? Bye.